A new group protection insurance scheme for blue-collar workers in the UAE has been introduced. The scheme, facilitated by the Consulate General of India, was floated by Dubai National Insurance (DNI) and its marketing partner Nexus Insurance Brokers LLC at the Consulate General of India in Dubai. Building upon the Life Protection Plan (LPP) introduced in March 2024, this new group protection insurance scheme aims to enhance financial security for Indian blue-collar workers and other employees in the UAE. Effective from 1 April 2025, the plan offers extensive coverage, including benefits for natural and accidental death, permanent disability, and repatriation expenses. The sum assured under this scheme is 35,000 per person, with an affordable annual premium of 32. The initiative reflects the continued commitment of the Consulate General of India to safeguarding the well-being of Indian expatriates in the UAE, encouraging employers to adopt this measure as part of their labor welfare initiatives. The consulate seeks to prevent financial distress for the families of Indian workers in the event of their untimely passing. In another move aimed at empowering Indian expatriates, the Consulate General of India, in collaboration with the Kerala Muslim Cultural Centre (KMCC) and Adapt Learning Technologies, has launched a multilingual online digital literacy program for Indian workers in Dubai. The initiative, which will be supported by KMCC as part of its corporate social responsibility (CSR) activities, seeks to equip at least 5,000 workers in its first year with essential digital skills, cyber fraud awareness, and knowledge of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence (AI). Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.